Professor Dr. Rana Altaf, worthy Vice Chancellor of Nishtar Medical University, Multan. Professor Muhammad Ali, Vice Chancellor, Bahauddin Zakaria University. Professor Muhammad Asif, Vice Chancellor, Muhammad Nawaz Sharif, University of Agriculture. Professor Dr. Uzma Qureshi, Vice Chancellor, Women's University of Multan. Professor Dr. Rashid Kamar Rao, Principal, Nishtar Medical College. Faculty, deans, dear students, respectable proud parents, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, and I also have here with us Ahmad Hussain Deher Saab, Member National Assembly and Chairman Standing Committee. We have worthy Javed Ali Shah Saab, former Federal Minister, Shahid Mahmood Sahab, former MPA, Shaheen Shafiq Sahiba, former MPA, Tariq Rashid Sahab, former Member National Assembly. We have Asif Rajwana Sahab, Mehnaz Fareed Sahiba, Vice President and a very prominent active social worker, SOS Village. Worthy participants, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu Alaikum. Dear graduating students, I feel deeply honored and privileged to address this esteemed gathering on the occasion of Convocation. This is a momentous occasion as we celebrate the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and unwavering commitment to the field of medicine. Dear graduates, every one of you has reached a significant milestone in your journey towards becoming healthcare professionals, and I congratulate you on this remarkable achievement. Aapko bahut mubarakbad. I also congratulate the parents, the faculty, the college, and the society in general. आज का दिन आपकी कामयाबी का दिन है, पाकिस्तान की कामयाबी का दिन है, इंसानियत की कामयाबी का दिन है. आप सीख रहे हैं, आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, और इंशाल्लाह you'll pay back the education and skills you have acquired here. Inshallah you'll make best use of them. As I look upon this gathering of aspiring doctors, nurses, surgeons, and medical researchers, I am filled with a sense of admiration. You have chosen a noble and selfless path, one that demands compassion, intellect, and an unyielding desire to alleviate human suffering. Your pursuit of knowledge and the countless hours spent in lecture halls, laboratories, and hospitals have prepared you to embark on a lifelong mission of healing and serving humanity. ये मसीहाई का काम अपने अंदर बहुत सी इज्जत भी समोए हुए. अल्लाह सुब्हानहू व तआला ने इसमें, जब आप अपने मोटो के मुताबिक, सर्विस और डिसिप्लिन के मुताबिक सर्व करते हैं, तो बहुत सी इज्जत भी मिलती है माशरे में. इंशाअल्लाह everyone will look up to you and everyone will give you respect and honor which you rightly deserve, and inshallah the time will tell that you will earn it and you will prove yourself worthy of it. Today, as we acknowledge your accomplishments, let us also acknowledge the transformative power of medicine. Throughout history, medicine has been at the forefront of human progress, advancing our understanding of human body and enabling us to conquer diseases that were once thought impossible. Medical breakthroughs have not only extended our lifespan, but have also improved the quality of life for millions and billions around the world. However, with progress comes new challenges. We are confronted with a rapidly changing healthcare landscape where technological advancements, globalization, and the emergence of new diseases require us to constantly adapt and innovate. So you have to stay relevant. You have to keep on learning. You have to keep on equipping yourself with knowledge. As the new knowledge evolves, as the new research evolves, you should be at the forefront, seeking new knowledge, seeking new techniques, and delivering, inshallah. I have every confidence that each one of you possesses the passion, skill, and determination to meet this responsibility. Congratulations once again on your remarkable achievement. May you find fulfillment and joy in your chosen path, and may you be blessed with a long and rewarding career in the service of humanity. Thank you. Pakistan Pindabad.